Hi, my name is Bo Blackburn. Welcome to Seller Shield. You've made a great decision to protect yourself and your well-being. One of the most important but dangerous documents you sign during a home sale is the disclosure form. The purpose of the document is to provide the buyer with basic information about your property. Unfortunately, when filled out incorrectly or incompletely, it can be used against you in a lawsuit. In fact, the disclosure form is almost always Exhibit A when buyers sue sellers. So let's make sure you do it right. First things first, slow down. The document needs your undivided attention. Remember, this is a legal document that may be used against you if not done correctly. Therefore, give the document the attention it deserves. Second, sellers tend to make the exact same mistakes over and over again. Our Smart Seller tools are designed by legal and insurance experts and highlight areas that are frequently done incorrectly so you can learn from their mistakes. Make sure you use the interactive seller's disclosure form. Our legal wizard guides you through the form, pointing out common problem areas, defining certain terms, and ensures you fully complete the form. Pay close attention to the following issues as they are the most frequently cited in lawsuits against sellers. First, all issues involving water. Water and water systems can cause numerous and costly issues for homeowners. Therefore, disclosure forms have many questions related to water, including water penetration, roof leaks, water drainage, and flooding. Please think about any water-related issues you may have experienced and disclose accurately. Second, improvements or renovations made without proper permitting. This question frequently gets sellers in trouble when small remodel projects were completed without pulling permits. Third, be aware of catch-all disclosure questions that ask if you are aware of any problems or defects not previously mentioned in the form. These catch-all questions are very broad and can easily be missed. Those three are the big ones to watch out for, but please pay close attention to each question as they are all important. The best protection from unexpected lawsuits is to slow down and make sure you accurately fill out the disclosure.